Friends, today our topic is interjection. So interjection is a word which express some certain feeling or emotion. Interjection वो words होती हैं जो express करते हैं हमारी certain feeling को या emotion को. जैसे कि hello, how are you? Alas, he is dead. Oh, I got such a fright. Wow, that's a beautiful dress. So hello, alas, hurrah, etc. are called interjection. Where our interjections are used? They are used to express some sudden feeling or emotion. Interjections are used to express some sudden feeling or emotion. It will be noticed that they are not grammatically related to other words in a sentence. Interjections have no link with grammatical meaning of the sentence. It just describes their words. They are usually followed by an exclamatory mark. Interjections are usually followed by an exclamatory mark. How can we express interjections? When we are expressing joy in a sentence, we can use hurrah, wow, that's a great news. When we are expressing grief, sorrow in a sentence, we can use alas, ouch. Oh, ouch is used for having pain. Oh, oh is used surprise. When we are having surprise, whether it is a good surprise or bad, we can use what. Oh, ah, wow. So, when we are having approval from someone, the words are used bravo, well done, you have done so beautifully. So, when we are meeting a person, and we greet them, we use the words hey, how are you, hello, she is my mother, hi. So, these are the words when we meet a person. When we are having attention from someone, we used look, listen, behold. Though they are verbs, but in interjections, they will act as only as interjection. They will not act as a verb or a noun in a sentence. Look, she is there. Listen, I have to go somewhere. Behold, someone is there. So these are the words, these are the interjections which may be expressed to our feeling for joy, grief, pain, surprise, approval, meeting a person, or for attention. Some interjections are also there. A. A is used for realization or acceptance. Whenever we are realizing something, जब भी हम कुछ रियलाइज कर रही होती हैं तो वी यूज एज नाउ आई हैव सीन व्हाट यू मीन. मैंने देख लिया, अब मुझे समझ आया कि तुम क्या कहना चाह रहे थे. अब मुझे समझ आया तुम क्या कहना चाह रहे थे. दिस इज द इंटरजेक्शन वर्ड oh, something sweet or cute. Whenever we see something very cute and sweet, we usually say, oh, just look at that kitten. Oh, that's so beautiful. It is out of something sweet or cute. We use word oh. Whenever we acknowledge something as right, जब हम मानते हैं कि yes कि वो सही था, we use word bingo. That's exactly what we were looking for. ये वही चीज़ है जो हम ढूंढ रहे थे, जो हम देख रहे थे. Bingo. Something disgusting, something very bad, something very boring. We use the word that movie was so boring. So is the interjection we use for something disgusting, something boring, or something not good. O is used for I say, I think, I see. Oh, it's been around a week since I saw her. Oops, making a mistake. Whenever we make a mistake, generally we say, oops, sorry, I did not saw those kids. Yay, congratulatory exclamation. When we are going to congratulate someone in happiness, then we say, yay, I can't believe you are actually coming here. मुझे विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा कि तुम यहाँ आ रही हो. Yes, it is an meaning of something. Yes, we are just happy with you that you are coming here. We are just agreeing with you that it should be done. Yes, it is the another meaning of expressing yes in interjections. So these were the interjections which we use in our life. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you.